try to keep that in mind. And it's, you know, it made me, it made my mettle. And it also helped me be more empathetic, sympathetic, compassionate with others. And two of my children had learning differences. And so I got very involved in that world. That's how we met, of course. And that has gone on. You know, one of my children was an ADD, ADHD kid, and he was super bright, but couldn't find a place to really educate him to his abilities. And my other kid couldn't learn. He was a delayed reader. That boy is now a junior in college, and his major is English, poetry. And then 3 years ago, I met a little boy on the beach.